Hi everyone, I'm Han and welcome to my kitchen in Seoul, Korea. Today's recipe is one of my favorites, kimchi bokkeumbab, which is Korean kimchi fried rice. My favorite is the one cooked with spam. I'm using frozen rice from a few days ago. It's quick and easy this way. And for the kimchi, you can use scissors. It's just less messy this way. Make sure you use kimchi that's sour enough. If it's not, you have to save the menu for next time. Dice the canned ham. And now let's stir fry the kimchi and ham together. Use salt if you need more seasoning. Put the rice and mix it together. And sesame oil for more flavor. Let's cook the egg. Put the egg on the top. Sprinkle sesame seeds and some pepper. Wow, looks so good. Now it's time to try it. 너무 맛있어요.